Hey, let's talk about TikTok Shop for a moment. And if you haven't heard of TikTok Shop, where have you been? Seriously. Now, TikTok just opened in the USA market in September of 2023. And since that time, people have tapped into this amazing platform and are making millions. And the great thing is, it's early days. It's like the early days of the gold rush. So you can get right on that gravy train and never look back. So one of the most common questions that are asked is, how many followers do you need to open up a TikTok shop? And the answer is a big fat zero. You don't need any followers to get your shop approved. Now, if you have an account, have a bunch of followers, more's the better. But you can either build your following to sell your products, or you can tap into the power of TikTok influencers and sell that way. And selling is as easy as making a compelling video that you just upload into your TikTok account. So the application process for signing up for TikTok is super easy. All you need to do is have either a US passport or a driver's license that you can upload into the app, answer a few questions, and it literally takes minutes to sign up. And it took me about an hour before I heard back from TikTok that I was approved. So once you're approved, all you have to do is set up your tax information, set up your shipping preferences, add some products, and then connect it to a TikTok account. So I'm not going to go over the products and everything in this little short video. I just wanted to give you kind of a clue on how this is going to work. But if you're looking for a great resource to find out how to source products and find great analytic tools that are connected directly to the TikTok app, I've actually written a little book. Oopsie, there we go. TikTok Mastery, TikTok Shop Mastery. It's on Amazon right now. And today is the 10th of February, and it is free in the ebook Kindle. You can download it for free for the next couple days. So you can get this copy totally free for the next couple days, and it has a wealth of information on how to source products, how to decide if you're going to become a wholesaler or a drop shipper, all that kind of information. And a bunch of references, a bunch of resources and references and frequently asked questions. So check it out. Link is in the description below. Just click on in there, get your free book. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's a lot of good information. And if you miss the deadline, it's, I think Monday, the 11th or 12th is when it's not free anymore, but it's still not very expensive. So I hope you found this a little bit helpful. If so, please click that like button, subscribe, you know the drill. And I really appreciate your time and checking out my video.